Okay, so check this out, guys. I do very few video reviews for products, but I had to pony up and buy a blow dryer. Normally I've got pretty short hair, but I'm letting it grow, so yeah, I had to go shopping for a hair dryer, which was kind of weird for me. But anyway, so I unboxed this thing yesterday when it showed up, just to make sure it was in good shape and all that. And I was like, looks like a hair dryer. You know, this is fairly masculine, I guess as masculine as they can be. Black and silver. Anyway, the point is, I plugged this thing in, and as soon as I turned it on, I felt compelled to do this video review. I mean, this thing has got some serious power. I mean, it is called the 1870. It's a 1875 watt. It's called the Turbo Ionic. Perfect heat, it says. But here's the deal. Volumizing turbo styler, whatever. I don't care about volumizing anything that comes with this volumizing head for it or whatever. Will never get used. But check this out. This thing is crazy powerful. I mean, let's see if I can do it for you here. Okay, that's the lowest setting. Alright? Lowest setting. Look at that. Box. But look how far away that is. Okay? Ready? And that's putting out some serious thing. And on top of that, it's turbo. Yeah, so your hair's getting dry pretty quick. But here's the deal too. I got it on full air. It instantly gets hot. Okay? It's already warm. As soon as I turn it on. Alright? It's hot. There it goes. It's hot. That's how quick it is. Yeah. I don't know. Never thought I'd be impressed by a hairdryer. But here I am. So yeah, pick that one up. I think it cost me a little less than 20 bucks. Good deal. Very happy with that. Cheers.
And it goes on and off. And you know, it's got all the settings. But my favorite part is this here. My old dryer didn't have that, so all the lint